So I microwave this water. I'm trying to experiment because they said, I saw a Facebook post or TikTok where they said if you add microwave water to a plant, it'll kill it. So I'm gonna pour this in this. This has been in regular water, alive like that for a long time, a couple months. So I'm adding microwave water and I'm gonna see what it does in a few days. It kills it. Put it back where it was. The other day, remember when I put the microwave water in this plant to see if the microwave water would kill the plant, and it looks like this part of it anyway.